This is a wheel here where you can see the chrome. Looks like that's chrome something over the top of aluminum. But this is one where I was thinking, you know, if these are real bad, it might not hurt to paint the centers. If I can get all this stuff off of them. I don't know what that oven cleaner is going to do to that aluminum. I don't think it will hurt it, but there's a sure way to find out. We'll spray a little on there and see what happens. Oh, it's like experimental. Oh, the joy. Get me a little Dremel tool maybe and scrub all that off. But let's see what the oven cleaner does to it. Okay, then we're on the water. Not only the first time this year, but the first time in actually kind of years. I don't think we even got into kayaks last year. At least I didn't. I think Trish might have with the grandkids. So, long overdue, the water's high. We're gonna head upriver.